Alright, bombs. As me come through my door, see eh? I house door this. Now my house, I come out, bam. Skirting up right in front of me. Dirty skirt that and like clean skirt for me walk on. Alright, bam, me go so bam soon. Take out some clothes, put in a machine to wash. I look up my live in a yard. Me go so bam means me a washing, run out, go wash. Put out clothes in front of me. Dirty skirt that and like clean skirt for me walk on. Alright, bam, me go so bam soon. Take out some clothes, put in a machine to wash. I look up my live in a yard. Because some bam means me a washing, run out, go wash. Put out clothes. Clothes still in a machine, you know. Alright, see there. Watch it check. 3 line in a yard, see there. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, watch it. The woman come out, 1 line, put piece of clothes. 2 line, 1, 2 piece of clothes also. See there. There's a line that can hold the whole line clothes. Right, so. Go all the way down so empty. So I put some of my clothes down there, so. Some up here, so. Some pan is a line and some pan not a line there. And this is I'm putting clothes in the machine for load. See it? So you see how people like problem? And they know when you rough them up and deal with them certain way, they run go look help and cry to people and make you look like say you are the bad one. You get me I say? I look bad in the situation now. How the hell, how the fuck you take up your dirty clothes right in front of my door? As me come out of my door, eat me up, blood clot back up in there. You look for the catches close them. So where I want to walk underneath. Yeah? And you see some me wash and you run come wash and put up clothes and put it on the 3 line you hang up your clothes them. You couldn't put it for 1 and you can have 1, you have more than all your clothes them.